everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to guide you through how to redeem Home Depot gift card online. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. You can easily redeem your Home Depot gift card in store or online. In today's video, we're going to do it online. Open up a web browser to begin. Into the web address bar that pops up at the top, type in www.homedepot.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Home Depot, which looks like this. From the official web page of Home Depot, which looks like this, go and click on this account button at the top right hand corner, which is displayed as a human figure, and sign into your account first by clicking on the sign in button. Go ahead and enter your credentials for your Home Depot account. If you don't have an account yet, you must sign up and create a new account by pressing this button so that you can redeem your gift card. Enter your email address that is associated with your account and make sure to type it in correct. Click the continue button and on the next page, enter your password for your account. Finally, click the sign in button and enter the verification code that will be emailed on your email address. Go and open up the same email service provider that you used while signing up for Home Depot. Now, click open the email received from Home Depot and copy the code that has been displayed. Go back to the sign in page and enter the code or paste it in, and finally click verify. Once you log into your account, in order to redeem your gift card, you'll need to go pick a product or two from the website and add it in your shopping bag. You can then enter your gift card information while checking out with the product, and that way you should be able to redeem your gift card. First, go ahead and pick a product or two. In order to show it to you, I'm just going to pick a random product out here and click on add to cart. Once you do that, click on view cart, and from the next page, go and click on this checkout button to end up in the checkout page. Now you can go ahead and enter your shipping address, type in your first name followed by your last name, enter your phone number, make sure to enter the valid phone number, and enter your shipping address followed by your zip code. Once you do that, you can use this address for your billing purpose as well. Simply check this box right here, and right where it says payment, you need to go select a payment option. If you want to use PayPal or credit card, select one of them from the options and fill in the rest of the information that is asked to you. But if you want to use and apply a gift card that you have for the purchase, click on apply a gift card link, and you'll be able to find the gift card number at the back of your gift card like this as it shows on the display. Simply go ahead and enter your information correct and type in your PIN number on the next field. Since I'm entering a random gift card information over here just to show it to you, it is showing me that this is not a valid gift card, but if you have a valid gift card or a real gift card on your hands, you can type in the information right here, enter your PIN code on the next field, and click on I'm not a robot. Soon after you do that, once your information is correct, you'll be able to redeem the product with a gift card right away from homedepot.com. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.